Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pie in an air fryer. Start with the right pie size for your air fryer, usually a 5 or 6-inch diameter. You'll want to have your pie crust ready, whether it's store-bought or homemade. Before placing your pie, remember to lightly grease the air fryer basket. This simple step helps prevent any sticking and ensures your pie comes out perfectly. For best results, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Smaller pies, around 5 inches, will typically cook in 20 to 30 minutes. For larger, 6-inch pies, allow 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know your pie is ready when the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbling invitingly. To prevent the edges of your pie from over-browning, simply cover them with a small strip of aluminum foil. This trick ensures an even bake. Once cooked, resist the urge to slice immediately. Letting your pie cool for at least 2 hours is crucial. This allows the filling to properly set, giving you clean, delicious slices every time. The air fryer is incredibly versatile for various pie types, whether you prefer sweet fruit pies or savory quiches. Once your pie has cooled and set, it's ready to be enjoyed. A warm slice with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream makes for a delightful treat. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.